And then voila, we've got the Defender XT on the 15 Pro Max. And I will say I love this case's design, especially with the natural titanium color I've got going on my iPhone right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the OtterBox Defender XT with MagSafe case for none other than my beautiful natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max right here. But before we start getting this guy out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But without further ado, let's get to opening it up. Here we go. So the box has the case's name and brand up here. It's got a cutout so we can actually see and touch the case itself. It says it was 5 times drop tested by military standard with a protective 2-piece design and is for the new 2023 iPhone Pro, aka the 15 Pro Max. Over on the back, it says it's made with over 50% recycled plastic, and it's got port covers to block both dirt and dust. So let's just open it up and check this case out. Here we go, and there it is. We've got some paperwork over here and a silly little piece of paper inside the case itself right here with some installation instructions, which to install it first, you're going to want to peel this part out of the case right here and then separate the 2 pieces. Then you can grab your beautiful 15 Pro Max and just pop it right inside of the case. And then lastly, grab the top piece and put it on as well and stick it inside of the case. And as you're doing that, you're going to want to fold the sides of the outer layer of the case over this top plastic piece right here, just like this, so that there are no gaps and it's all snug on your iPhone. And then voila, we've got the Defender XT on the 15 Pro Max. And I will say I love this case's design, especially with the natural titanium color I've got going on my iPhone right here, because I think this black and clear really complements it well. As you'll see on the back, it is mostly clear, but then it's got a black MagSafe ring, which is pretty cool because typically these MagSafe rings on clear cases are white. So that's a nice little pop right there. It's also got black around the huge rear camera array on this phone. Over here on this side, we've just got the side button. Over here on this side, we've got one of the new features of the 15, the action button. So mine is customized to, if you hold it down, open up the camera, because I love taking pictures, obviously. Over here, we've got the volume buttons right there. Those work just fine. Over here on the bottom, we've got cutouts for the speaker grills, as well as a cover right here to protect the also new USB-C port on this iPhone. And then last but not least, another thing you'll notice on this case is it does have a raised lip around the front of the device where the screen is. So in theory, if you put it face down on a flat surface, your screen should not be touching that flat surface, which is definitely good. And similarly, there is a raised lip around the rear camera array as well. So that should not be touching the flat surface. But now let's go ahead and actually test out that MagSafe on this device. We can go ahead and put my Apple MagSafe charging puck on it, and boom, now you can see that is being charged. And then we can also go ahead and test this case with my Apple MagSafe battery pack, and surprise, surprise, that clips on very easily and charges it as well. And I will say that white color of the battery pack definitely also looks good with the black of the case and the natural titanium of my phone. And another comment I'll make about this case too is I do love how it feels in the hand, because it feels super grippy on these sides right here because they're nice and textured, which is pretty cool because typically, you know, clear cases feel slippery, right? Because the clear part right here, that definitely does feel slippery. But when you got those grippy sides as well, it makes for a grippy phone case, which really gets you the best of both worlds right there, especially with how slim this case feels. Typically, OtterBox Defender cases are known for being thick and bulky, but this one is pretty cool how it's not thick and bulky, but actually stylish as well with that clearness. But anyway, folks, if you want this case for yourself, it will set you back about $70. So it is on the more expensive side, but definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 15 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 15 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed, which by the way is a lot, on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button as well, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.